If you're looking for dog flea and tick collar, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Most Popular, by Bayer Animal Health. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Bayer Animal Health. Number 3, by Hartz. Get your favorite dog flea and tick collar now. Just click this circle in the corner. Number 4, by Ultraguard. Number 5, by Regirock. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.